Getting blocked by the dreaded "this site can't provide a secure connection" error. It pops up when you least expect it, stopping you from reaching the site you need. Stick around because we will break down why it happens and show you the exact steps to fix it fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are going to show how to fix "this site can't provide a secure connection" error. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Refresh your network configuration. The first thing you can do is refresh your network configuration. Open Command Prompt as administrator. To do that, search for CMD in the Windows search bar, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Execute these commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh IP reset, netshwinsock reset, and then restart your computer. Method 2. Adjust SSL or TLS settings. Press Windows plus R, then type inetcpl.cpl and press Enter to open Internet Options. Go to the Advanced tab. Ensure the following boxes are checked. Use SSL 3.0, use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, and use TLS 1.2. Click Apply and restart your computer. Method 3. Check proxy settings. Press Windows plus R, type inetcpl.cpl and press Enter to open Internet Options. Go to the Connections tab and click LAN Settings. If the Use a Proxy Server for your LAN box is checked, uncheck it. Click OK and restart your computer. Method 4. Change DNS servers. You can also try changing the DNS and see if this can fix the error. To change DNS, type Control Panel in the Windows search box and choose the first option. Next, set the View By option to smaller large icons. Select Network and Sharing Center. Now, select your internet connection next to Connections. Then open its properties. Or, you can select Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your internet connection and select its properties. Search for Internet Protocol version 4, right-click on it and open its properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and save the changes. You can also switch to the Cloudflare DNS server. For that, set the preferred DNS server address to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS server address to 1.0.0.1. To save the changes, click on OK. Once done, restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, relaunch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Method 5. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Browser extensions that might interfere with the web app, ad blockers, VPNs, and other extensions can sometimes cause issues. Here we are showing how to disable Chrome extensions. Open Chrome menu, then select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Here you can remove or disable the browser extensions. Confirm if asked. Once done, try to launch the game and check. Method 6. Try a different browser or incognito mode. The next thing you can do is try a different browser or use incognito mode. This can help determine if the issue is with your browser's configuration or the specific site itself. To open incognito mode in Chrome browser, click on the three dots menu, then select New Incognito Mode. And that's it. Your browser should now connect securely without throwing that error message. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more reliable tech solutions. Still facing issues or found another fix that worked for you? Share it in the comments. Let's help each other out and keep browsing smooth and secure.